Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Testing with invalid and corrupt data, a comprehensive guide. Testing with invalid and corrupt data, often called negative testing or error handling testing, is a crucial part of software development. It verifies how your application handles unexpected or deliberately malformed inputs. This helps you build robust and resilient systems that gracefully recover from errors and prevent crashes or security vulnerabilities. This tutorial will cover various aspects of testing with invalid and corrupt data, including why it's important, what types of invalid data to consider, and how to implement these tests with practical code examples. Why test with invalid and corrupt data? Robustness and reliability ensures your application doesn't crash or misbehave when faced with